Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your remote working with the volume controls on your Roku device. So what you want to do is go up to the top and go to settings right here. Then go to the right and go to remote and devices. Then go to the right. If your remote's not under here, just simply go to add device. And then go to the right. I got my voice remote. And then we go to setup remote for TV control. And we have two different options. We have IR setup. IR setup is widely compatible with major TV brands, so this might work. And then we got CEC. So if the IR setup doesn't work, go to CEC setup. I hear the music. Do you still hear the music? No, it's muted. All right, so it should be set up now. I can just go up and down on the side here. Now another thing that you could try is maybe your remote's not actually connected or something like that. So you go to the back and just remove the batteries and place the batteries back in. And then go to the back button and the home button right here and just put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode and reconnect it back up to your TV. So it's blinking, you can see that. All right, and I should be good to go now. Something's going to pop up on the screen that says pairing remote momentarily. And since you switched it over to HDMI CEC, make sure you have HDMI CEC turned on your TV. And if it's connected via an HDMI cable, which it is, it should be able to sync up now with your specific remote. So if we go back over to that option, you can see and read about it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.